So here we are opening up ChatGPT. That is how I make my YouTube thumbnails. I upload a picture onto the ChatGPT. Any still will do. Even if you have a video, you can screenshot from a video and use that screenshot as your picture for your thumbnail for YouTube. So I'm selecting this picture of Michael and Morgan, a couple I DJ'd their wedding for in 2024. And I tried to speak into it to tell it what I want to do, but I'm going to end up having to type it. So I type what I want. Mainly I just type, make a YouTube thumbnail with this picture, use elegant font or use dynamic font, and it takes about 30 seconds or so to come up with a YouTube thumbnail. And then I just click on it to save it to my photos, save the image, and then that's what I use for my thumbnail for my YouTube. And that's how you do it, guys. Very simple way to use ChatGPT for your YouTube thumbnails. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. This is DJ So, Daddy by Day, DJ by Night. God bless.